Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And no, it has been forever and a day. It's been a couple weeks, I know, but I just started school and I'm starting a new job as a regional artist with Benefit Cosmetics, so I'm excited for that. I have kids. So I am back. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is either over here. I think it's over here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of my videos, and welcome to my channel. And if you guys have been with me forever, hello, my people. So today I am going to be reviewing the Nikkie's Ofra X Nikkietutorial collection, which is this. So this is a beautiful collection. It does have a highlighter that has 3 different shades. Let me show you up close. So this highlighter has 3 different shades. And what's great about this is that you can use it on the face, but you can also use it on the eyes as well, which is amazing. I love multifunctional products because as a professional makeup artist, it makes my life so much easier because it's like, I can use this on the face. I can use it on the eyes. Psh. Take it, throw it in my kit, I'm good to go. Then the collection also comes with 3 liquid lipsticks. Let me tell you, Ofra's quality of liquid lipsticks are so great. The first time I ever tried their liquid lipsticks was when I purchased the Manny MUA collaboration. And I was so hesitant to try Ofra, and one of my friends was like, girl, you need to try it. My friend Catherine, which is Kit Kat Says, you can check out her YouTube channel. I know she hasn't filmed in quite a while, but she got me into the liquid lipsticks, and I absolutely love them. The formulation is amazing. They are just really great liquid lipsticks, and I'm gonna be trying on all 3 for you. Right now I'm wearing Coven. Can you tell this is my most favorite out of all 3? Because girl, look at that. Holy moly. And look at this highlight. Look at that highlight though. And I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it. But look. Oh my gosh, right? Oh my gosh. And then I put a little bit on my eyes. I did like a quick eye look. Like really quick. Because I already had on eyeliner and mascara. Girlfriend wasn't gonna go and take everything off and do a whole tutorial. So I just did something like really simple. And yeah, so you guys, let's get on with the review, shall we? Let's get on with the review and the application part. You guys, I'm actually filming another video while I film this one. How crazy is that? But anyways, I'm gonna take this highlighter in just a second, but I do wanna let you know this is so great because you can use it either on the face or on the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Palette, and I'm gonna take the shades Mood Exposure and Luminous Flush. Before I do that, I'm actually gonna take the Luminous Bronze Light in here, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of warming up of the face, and also gonna use this as like a little bit of a contour, but nothing really major. And I'm using the IT Cosmetics Wand Ball Powder Brush to apply this. I love it because it doesn't give like a big, huge streak when you're applying your bronzer, and it does have a little, kind of a little point on it, so it really can contour out really pretty and lightly on the cheeks. Next, I'm taking the 2 blushes on the bottom in the palette and applying just a little splash of color. Now I am going in with the highlighter, and I'm gonna mix these 2 shades. This is the Everglow highlighter from the Nikkietutorial collection, and I'm gonna mix these 2 shades because I feel like they give such a pretty color when you mix them. Now wait for it. Oh my god. I'm telling you, Ofra highlighters they're freaking heaven. Then on the other side, oh my gosh, like you literally need to pick up very little product in order to highlight your face. It's like, what? And then I'm gonna put a tiny bit above my Cupid's bow, just a tiny little bit, and a dollop. Just a little bit on the point of my nose and a little bit in the middle as well. Look at how beautiful that is. That's all I gotta say. So I'm gonna try out all 3 shades for you. The first one I am gonna try out is called Spell. And these Ofra liquid lipsticks, I love them because they're long wearing, okay? They can transfer a little bit. That's because they're long wearing liquid lipsticks, but they feel so amazing. And the first Ofra liquid lipsticks that I ever tried was when Manny MUA came out with his collaboration with them, and I loved them. Okay, so this is what Spell looks like, which is not a color that I would wear, but the formula feels good. The only thing I noticed, which is really hard with these kind of shades, is it is a tiny bit patchy. But other than that, it feels really good. If you have the right skin tone for this, I think, what do you guys think? Oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh. So you guys, I had to go off camera because I realized your girl had mascara on her eyelids. Okay, anyways, what do you guys think of this color on me? I think it's a little too much, but like I said, the formula feels really good. The only thing is this one's a little bit patchy. Maybe it's because I had foundation lips, I don't know, but this is Spell. All right, the next shade that I'm gonna try on is called Nude Potion. And this is a very, very nude color. Okay, this is the shade Nude Potion. What do you guys think? I think it actually looks pretty good. I thought this was gonna be a little too pale on me, but I really like it. Not streaky like Spell. So I like the formulation of these liquid lipsticks totally, but I think Spell is a little too out there for me, maybe with a different makeup look. I don't know. But this one, this Nude Potion, I am kind of digging it. So I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna show you the next one, which is Coven, which I'm really excited to try on. Now I am taking the shade Coven, which is a nice rich brown metallic shade. Oh my God, I love. Okay, I can't get too excited yet. Okay, I'm not done yet, but I do have to say, I feel like this one applied the best out of all 3, which means they did a really hell of a good job on a metallic liquid lipstick, because it's not easy to make such a smooth metallic lip shade, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's gliding on so nicely. Oh my goodness, you guys, and this is Coven. Look at that. You know what? This color has me. Like, oh my God, isn't that gorgeous? And look at the glow of the highlight. You know, I don't have an eye look on right now. I just have eyeliner on and mascara. I don't even have falsies on. But I think I'm gonna do a little quick eye look. I think I'm just gonna grab one of my MAC shadows and then I'm gonna kind of place this in the center, one of these colors, just because I want to see how it looks on. I don't know if you guys are like me and sometimes you're in a hurry and you just want to like throw on a little eye look. So what I do is I just deepen it out in the outer corner, drag this into my crease, any kind of nice brown shade, like so. Do the other eye. Okay, I think I'm good with that. I'm just gonna like blend it out a little bit. This is like the easiest eye look you can do if you're like in a hurry and you gotta go somewhere. I'm gonna take a flat Zoeva 234 Luxe Smoky Shader. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this gold and just kind of bring my mirror in. Oh! Oh! Wow. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. Wow. Like the pigmentation is just so bomb. I just totally screwed up my liner, but who cares? I can fix it. But look at that. Do you guys see how I'm just packing it and how, dude, like for real, Ofra, for real. I mean, I know their highlighters are amazing, but if you can have one product do multiple things, to me that's amazing, because I'm a professional makeup artist, and it's better than having to take a million bajillion things with you in your kit. This is great. Holy, I mean, it looks so good. Oh my goodness. So I have to say, Miss Nikkietutorials is a goddess, #1. She just does amazing makeup. And this collaboration with Ofra is just, it's so good. Like I said, you know, with the liquid lipsticks, this one is just not my cup of tea as far as color. If I do any kind of loud color, it'd be more like this, or a blue or a black. But I feel like this would look great on somebody who's very light complected, even on somebody who has darker, deeper skin tones as well, because it like gives like a pop of color. For me, it's just not my cup of tea. I just don't like how it looks, but the formulation is amazing. And then for Nude Potion, I love how this one looks as well. I know I'm gonna be wearing this on a daily basis. I love this one. And then Coven is my absolute favorite, but I have to say, Ofra liquid lipsticks are such an amazing formula, but I was shocked. I had never tried any of their metallics. This is the most comfortable metallic I've ever tried, and it went on so super easy, super pigmented. Dude. If you have not gotten this collection, get it. I think it is totally worth the money, especially the highlighter. This is $79. I think there's a sale on it right now though. I think I had saw that there was like a sale with it being $59. I'm not too sure, but you know, Nikkie always has her code, so you can use Nikkie's code to get a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pick this up. It's amazing. Ofra's highlighters, their liquid lipsticks are nice. No joke. They just feel so comfortable, and I'm about to wear this out, so I gotta go change. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone.